Hello and welcome to an episode of Take Flight Trin. Today we will be packing our bags, so I hope you're ready to pack. This is the bag that I will be using as my carry-on this week for my trip to London, Liverpool, and Cardiff, Wales. It has 3 compartments. This one, which I'm going to keep liquids in, this one, which I'm going to keep overflow in, and this one as well that I'm going to keep all of my clothes in. I got it from IKEA a couple of years ago. It's a great backpack. It zips in half, so if I need to take it for a day trip, I can put everything that I'm not wearing and that I'm not taking on the day trip in this part, and just take this whole part with me and go about my day. It also has a side pocket that doesn't zip and a side pocket that does zip, so that's very useful. So what I'm doing right now is I'm looking up the weather. And I'm probably going to use BBC because so it is supposed to be sunny tomorrow, and through the week it's supposed to rain a little bit, so I'm going to bring an umbrella, I think. Let's check the other locations. It's supposed to rain while I'm in Liverpool, but that's okay, most of my things are indoors. And it will be sunny Monday while I'm in hoped you enjoyed packing with me, and I hope that you're looking forward to some more videos about how my trip goes. So if you liked this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you didn't, comment what I could have done better, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you!